Cammy. Good morning, baby.
My hair keeps blowing in my face.
Huh?
My hair keeps blowing in my face.
Because it's windy. Oh.
It's been
We
nice.
are in Nassau, Bahamas. It is windy and chilly. Oh, my head look. Guys, it's a bit windy. My hair look crazy out here, but the water is like ice. It's like ice. I'm not getting in that water. It is ice. Oh, let me show you Camden. Camden is having a good time. He's running in and out. Where are you going?
Yeah, baby. Come on.
Oh, gone again.
Let's go. You want to hold my hand? There you go.
Once you get inside of it, I'm sure it feels good, but
Pardon? Ready? And throw it under your hand. Underhand. Like that. First cruise together. Only took us 27 years. We're here. Here is on the ground.
That's all right. Ain't open.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, buddy,
All right.
grab your lemonade.
1, 2, 3. Cheers.
Cheers.
Birthday, Mom.
Your birthday lady.
Yeah, look, drink lemonade.
All right.
thank you. Conch fritters. We're going to try conch fritters for the first time. So I can see what it tastes like. It has a sweet taste to it. It has a sweet taste.
That could be what mixed with.
Some dip. Pretty good. Just Johnson.
These are triangle or what? Oh. Some more french fries?
I want that.
That's not until you eat, you have to eat.
Good morning from the Bahamas. It's early morning. We just arrived in port. We just got up, so now we're gonna go get some breakfast and go check out Coco Cay, see what it's all about. Good morning, girls. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh man, you look so pretty.
Yeah, this morning.
We're going to get some pineapple. I'm like, where are these people so that someone can take him from me?
Here's Camden, guys. Camden is a mommy's boy today. He wants no one else to hold him but his mommy.
All that was like was bacon
He's eating
strap.
an apple.
You get full strips of
We're
bacon.
now having breakfast.
You okay?
Amanda said good morning.
All done? Good morning.
Ashley said good morning.
Good morning.
Hey Cammy, are you gonna wave and say good morning? Camden said good morning. Nope, he's not
Your
talking.
yogurt?
He's just a mommy's boy. Charles?
Good morning.
Charles
Don't
is,
mind breakfast? Come on over here. Grab some.
Well, I got it when I was...
guys, we're here, Coco Cay. It is a beautiful day out today. There's a little breeze in the air. Beautiful. We're here, so let me show you guys around. The water is nice and blue. Let me show you guys around. You are.
I'll throw up halfway. I can't do that.
The water is so
We need pictures. Let's get.
Say cheese.
It is in his face. Okay, guys, we're going to check Chill Island out. Let me show you what I'm seeing now.
Cheese that.
It's hard to do it. Camden. Hey.
Who cares?
I know. Look at
Camden just hit to the camera.
Hey, buddy, look. Look.
I got it.
Say it up. Cheese. 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 Look at the guy over there. Yeah. Look. Look. But cheese, look. Cheese, dear, look. Look at the guy here. Look. You got cheese in the back.
Thank you.
See cheese? See cheese? Look at mommy.
Cheese. Okay. Mom, you look pretty. Smile. Uncrease your eyebrows.